What if you can carry an entire private, secure computer in your pocket and plug it into any phone or laptop instantly? Today, I'm going to be looking at this beautiful little thing. It's called the TrustKernel PlugMate. It's a tiny device and it claims to give you a completely separate and secure ecosystem wherever you go. Okay, so this is an operating system in a USB key. All right, let's have a look. So the PlugMate is essentially a thumb-sized computer. All right, and it runs its own operating system called PlugOS, and it's completely separate from the phone or laptop or computer you plug it to. So you plug it into the device via this USB-C and instantly a new system boots up. Well, pending setup, that is. Okay, it works across Android, iPhone, Windows, and Mac, turning any device into a secure workspace. It's basically like carrying a second computer or phone with you, but just like in the shape of a USB key. In fact, there's an element of security that comes with it looking the way it does. So let's look at some of its key features. It's got hardware level security. Okay, so we're talking about full disk encryption, pre-boot authentication, and self-destruct protection features. So that's actually quite interesting for security conscious minds. Okay, so all of the data stays inside the device, not on the host system. It runs a full Android-based operating system, which is called PlugOS. You can install apps onto this, you can browse the web, you can run tools like a normal Android device. It also works cross-platform, so it works on phones, tablets, and computers. So you have one system everywhere. Now, as a standalone piece of hardware, it's actually got an 8-core processor, 4 gigabytes of RAM, and 128 gigabytes of storage. So that's actually better than my phone itself, right? So it's all built into this small thing here, this USB stick. Again, there's some security that comes with it looking like this, as most people looking at this wouldn't think this was a computer. So who is this actually for? Well, you can use this for work. If you're a business person that uses it for business use, you keep the work and personal data separate. So you can have this for your work and your computer for personal stuff, or vice versa. You can use on any laptop without leaving any traces. So business sensitive data, for instance, would stay on the key. Privacy focused users as well would love this because you can store sensitive data on here so that you can use it without leaking that sensitive data onto the platform you're using. You can avoid tracking, ads, and cloud exposure, which is a big thing these days. Every single company is tracking you online, so this could help mitigate against that. The traveler or the remote work user would love this too. You can plug this in any device, anywhere. So you can carry your computer with you. You pop this in your pocket and it's equivalent to, putting a computer, an extra machine in your luggage, for instance. Again, with travel restrictions and baggage limitations, this could be a godsend. And then comes people like me, crypto enthusiasts can use this for financial security. So you can secure your wallets and accounts in an isolated environment, so you don't have to worry about hacks and things like that. Now, obviously, there are some performance limitations. As it is with any device, people talk about visuals, so user interface responsiveness, app usage, etc. Okay, now let's be real. It isn't a powerhouse laptop replacement. Okay, so because of its compact hardware, it will struggle with heavyweight or demanding apps, especially compared to full-size devices. So it's best suited for browsing, communication, secure tasks, not high-end gaming or intensive workloads, which is fine. Okay, so you won't be able to, you can, but it's not best for high-level video editing or gaming or something like that. But again, that's not his raison d'etre as well. All right, so the big advantage of this is the true isolation that you get, okay? This is the main reason for this device to even exist. Unlike apps or software security tools, PlugMate actually creates a physical separate computing environment. So similar to a virtual environment that is completely isolated from its host, meaning your data never touches the host device itself, okay? That's a big deal if you're worried about malware, tracking, data leaks, using untrusted computers, like in an internet cafe, for instance. You could buy a cheaper Android phone for similar functionality, but again, you have to consider the size of the Android phone versus the size of this little thing that just fits in a pocket, okay? Also, an Android phone is an obvious device that people looking to take your stuff might be more interested in, if you know what I mean. Also, the Android device might not have the auto data wipe that this thing has that does really, really quickly indeed. There's also, little awareness, and the ecosystem is still relatively small because this is a new device, relatively speaking. So it's not widely tested across the board with every scenario situation. And obviously there are limited apps that are still in this ecosystem. But as time goes on, obviously that becomes bigger and bigger. There's a learning curve for some people as opposed to normal apps. But, I've spent some time with this and I caught a hang of it pretty quickly. So again, if you're relatively conversant with using an Android phone, this is going to be a breeze. Some people have also mentioned that it's not designed for heavy workloads, but I think I've already covered that. So is this device really worth it? In my humble opinion, absolutely. If you're someone who values privacy, security, and portability above anything else, this really is an interesting device. But if you just want a second device, this might not be for you, but this thing has a specific reason to exist. And that's one of security, portability, and the ability to use this anywhere. This is one of the most unique gadgets that I've seen in a while, and I see a lot of gadgets. It's not trying to replace your phone or laptop, it's trying to protect your digital life. And depending on your needs, this could be incredible value. By the way, like I said before, it's still relatively a new device, so you might not find it in the usual places. If you want to purchase one, I've got a link in the description. And not only is it a link, it is a discount link for you to get it cheaper than anywhere else. It's direct from the manufacturer as well. So there's a trust aspect linked to that. So use my link. It's an affiliate link. So there are benefits for myself. There are benefits for you in terms of discount and benefits for the manufacturer. It's a win-win-win. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.